How to create mind map in ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a mind map in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, all your tasks, and others. So first, you can open your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your left side, and as you can see, I have some spaces. I'm gonna create new one. So you can just click plus icon on the space here to create space. And then you can name your space. Let's say I'm gonna name it mind map, just like that. And then the description, I'm gonna leave it like that. And then for the permission, you can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose a private, and then click continue. And for the workflow, you can just start project management, marketing teams, and product plus engineering. I'm gonna choose product management here. I mean project management. And then for the default views, you can, click it. And then as you can see, there is option to activate mind map. So you have to activate it like this. Just click it and it's activated. Also, if you want to add another workflow or view, you can just click it. And then you can just click done. After that, you can also choose the task status if you want to add another status like planning in progress, at risk, and others. And after that, you can choose the ClickUp apps. I'm gonna leave it like that. Click done and then click create space. And now, as you can see, this is my space for mind map. So as you can see in this space, you will find mind map here because we activated before. So you can just click it. And then as you can see, if you want to try mind map, you have to unlock the mind map view by start free trial, or you can upgrade. But I'm gonna just click X here. You can just upgrade, and then you can choose the template so you can start from scratch or use the template from ClickUp. So I'm gonna show you just for example how to create the template. You can just click the plus icon on the space and then click templates here, and then you can activate uh, all the template types. Then you can search mind map, and you will find a lot of templates. You can choose whatever you want, but you have to activate or upgrade the ClickUp plan first. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.